Hello everyone, I am super excited because I have a great project for you guys today. Welcome to Gazelle Creative Studio, my name is Uriel. Please subscribe to this channel because I will be bringing great projects, creativity, and inspiration. In this video, I will create two identical DIYs, one bigger than the other. So we will need two glass canisters, some stencils to etch the glass, some rope, wooden beads with large holes, different kinds of artificial flowers, and some wire. All of these materials are from Dollar Tree. Let's get started. I will go ahead and open the canister and see how much rope I need for the handle. Before cutting it, I will add some tape so it doesn't get undone, and then I will cut it in an angle as you can see here. Next, I will cut some wire and leave an extra inch on each side. This wire will go inside the rope. I will find the center and put it through the end where there is tape. Then I will untwist the rope just enough to wrap it around the wire and hide it. Now I will pull the wire and put it through the end, and voila, the wire is inside. The next step is to put the wooden bits through the rope and adjust them as needed. Because I want to remove the tape from both ends, I will apply tacky glue at the ends and let it dry so the rope doesn't get undone. Now I will cut the stencil and make a unique design that will go on the center of the canister. To make sure the design is in the center, I will measure accordingly, about 2 inches from the bottom for the large canister and 1 inch for the smaller one. Now that the stencils are in place, I will add a thick coat of armor edge and let it sit for about 5 minutes. After this, I will rinse and dry them. Here is the etching, nice and precise. Next, I will trim the wire of the handles and attach them to the canisters using E6000 glue. I am applying some tape just in case the glue goes through. Now it is time to glue the rope around the mouth of the canisters using E6000 glue and let this dry for 24 hours. Also, I will glue a flower rhinestone on front of the canister as part of the design. The last step is to attach all the flowers using hot glue. I will do this for both canisters. Here is the final reveal. I would like to know what you think about these DIYs. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to this channel, like and share. See you in the next video.